Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and we're going to take a look at a completed Shaw ranch floor plan by True Homes. It's 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 1,530 square feet. Let's go take a look. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Shaw. Now, I've shown you this floor plan before, but this one has some different selections in it, and every home that we build at True Homes is unique. So I wanted to show you a few more options that you could get when you customize your home. If you have any questions about the Shaw or any of our other ranch floor plans or even one of our 2-story plans, you can contact me directly. I look forward to seeing you on a future video. Take care.